Hi folks, welcome to Cancer Healing Vlogs. This is Dr. Omar Bali talking about what kind of samples come in hemat. Hematology is basically focusing on blood as the word describes. Now, when we are looking at blood, there can be multiple conditions. There could be problem with the red blood cells, there could be problem with the white blood cells, platelets, even when the bone marrow is involved, that also comes under hematology. Also, if there are coagulation factor problems, like there's clotting problems in the blood, sometimes when we're talking about red blood cell disorders, there's a whole list within that. Anemia is basically ultimately there is a hemoglobin problem, and that's a problem with the RBCs, and there's a whole list of problems that could be around RBCs. Leukemias, when you talk about that, you are talking about the white blood cell disorders. That's the general gist of that. Platelet disorders, even from dengue or malaria, that also comes under that. And of course, there are proper platelet disorders which are sometimes congenital, as in from childhood itself, and some are rare disorders which may happen over adulthood as well. So this is just a general, just ultimately you get the concept. It's blood disorders, whether it can be when you're talking about thalassemia, sickle cell, these are all disorders from the childhood. So a huge variety of lists which come under blood samples. Ultimately, it's the blood samples that we're looking at, and from there there can be various parts of different diagnoses. Hope this gives you some new insight. Cheers, take care, bye.